This is video introduce about LMVVC Dog Grooming Kit Low Noise, Pet Grooming Clippers, 2.3 liters vacuum suction 99%, pet hair with 5 grooming tools for dog, cat. Vacuum for shedding grooming, gray and white. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. 2.3 liters larger dust cup. The larger jar storage capacity can reduce the number of times you dump your pet hair. This is fantastic because you can brush her inside without fur flying everywhere, instead it goes directly in the canister. It is also very simple to disassemble and clean. Instantly capture 99% hair. One major reason you don't want to groom your dogs yourself is the thought of all the hair mess you have to clean after. With this, there is basically only 1% cleaning and 99% of the hair goes in the vacuum, but it's truly no exaggeration. Low noise decibel. Your pet will like the pet grooming kit. It's a lot quieter than you expected, which is a plus. It doesn't scare your dog or cat away. It is quieter than your hair dryer, not loud at all unless your pet is unhappy with any sound. 5-in-1 Pet Grooming Kit. Multiple, easy-to-use attachments, including a slicker brush, a comb, clippers and guards, a fabric brush, and a hose. The electrical cord is nice and long, hose itself is a decent length, clippers are powered by wire in the hose, brilliant. You had bought various pet trimming kits in the past but none worked with your dog or cat, they couldn't get the hair into the trimming blades and were worthless. This is not a normal pet grooming kit with attachments for different functional. But the key to making it work is the vacuum. The suction pulls the hair into the blades so it's all cut perfectly, nothing is missed. The fact that all of the hair is placed into a container automatically. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.